How to protect your iPhone from hackers. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to Sign In and Security. Here, scroll down to the Security section and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. You can view all your added devices and phone numbers used for verification over here. If you want to add more numbers, then tap on Add a Trusted Phone Number as shown. Enter your iPhone passcode over here to continue. Here, add in the details of the number you want to add. Then, select the method how you want to verify the number. For example, text message. After that, tap on Continue below. Following these steps, you can easily protect your iPhone from hackers. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.